Hi, how you doing? I'm James Nave with Jane 3 Homes LLC in Indianapolis, Indiana. Today I'm actually in Mississippi where my family has some property, and then we purchased this mobile home a few months back, and it just got moved and set down on the property. This is a 80-foot by 16-foot mobile home. It is 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. I just came down to Mississippi this weekend to take a look at things and kind of figure out what our rehab is going to be. And then we did a little bit of the demo. So right now, what you'll see inside is the floors are all pulled up. We've cleaned it up a bit. And then me and my grandfather actually today took care of we're patching up some of the hose where some water damage has come in on the inside. We still have some more work to do on that though, but I just want to bring you guys in and show you what we're working with. So come on in. Okay. So right now we're standing in the entrance here. If you want, I'll take you guys down this way where we have the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So let's take a look. This is a pretty nice, decent sized bedroom. It has a closet right here, a nice sized window. Obviously we still have to fix some of the floor damage and things, but so down this way, out of the first bedroom, we have the bathroom, the main bathroom. In here, we're going to probably keep most of this vanity. We'll put a new sink, probably a new countertop on top with faucets. Toilet is still in great condition. We'll fix around and build around the bathtub down there. Get some probably new surrounds, new fixtures in here, and then paint. Next up is the second bedroom we have. This is actually a larger bedroom than the first. It also has a nice large window in here. Definitely a window for a beautiful view. Go ahead and take a look out, kind of see what we're looking at. All of that property that you're looking at right there is our family property. 44 acres worth, which 22 of it belongs to my side of the family. So nice closet area and decent clean space. Room and bath areas. We're coming over here back by the entry. This will be the living area. And then over here will be the kitchen. I'll have pictures posted up as well. I'll post some pictures along with this video to show the before and after before we did some of the carpet rip up. Before there was cabinets all the way around here that came around this way. These uppers are good. We're going to keep these. We're going to put new lower cabinets in with a peninsula to come out to about right here. Then the sink will still be right above the window. Stove with a hood, and then a small refrigerator will be here too. So this will be actually a great nice space for a living area and a kitchen. So here we are, we're going towards the back of the unit, towards the master bedroom and master bathroom. Here's the rear exit, the back door. We'll get to some shots outside of that. So here we have the utility room, water heater, the furnace, and washer and dryer will be in here. So definitely a nice little space for that. Right here, now we're going into the master bedroom with the actual master bathroom as well. So come take a look. Very spacious, much bigger room than the other two. Also has a large walk-in closet. We also have in this back master bedroom, the master bathroom, which has a large garden style tub and a vanity and toilet. A couple days ago, we ripped up all the carpet, we tore out the bottom cabinets, and we've been taking care of some other things. Today, me and my grandfather decided that a lot of this perimeter of the house had some rotted decking where water was coming in. So what we've done so far today is we cut out a lot of that, made sure the studs and rafters were good. Now we're going back and we're going to clean this stuff up. We're filling it up with some new insulation, and then we're patching the outlines of that. And then if you've seen in the other bedrooms, there's some other holes and areas like that, so we're going to do the same. We're going to make sure we get those patched up and secure and nice and safe before we come back and we start to do. In this area is the kitchen, where I said earlier, we're going to have a refrigerator here. There's going to be a range with a hood, and then there's going to be countertops that come all the way around, an L or U pattern. Sink will be right beneath the window. We're going to leave these here with a countertop and a peninsula that comes out roughly a couple feet out this way, just to kind of give a little separation from the spaces. Okay. All right, so that's the mobile home and the trailer that we're putting down here in Mississippi. Like I said again, this property, 44 acres, belongs to my family. We divided up with another half of the family, so 22 of the acres belongs to us. But we moved this trailer here to find us another thing to add to our portfolio. If you're interested in following more, please remember to like and subscribe this video, and reach out to us anytime you need to, jn3homes.com. You can also reach out to 317-563-1005 and learn more. We're definitely keeping people in our options, as we're still going to be looking to fund this one for funding for the rehab, which more information will be coming out for that soon. But until then, catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.